Hello, this is Pat Dempsey from the Configuration Advisory Board. This short video will help you to get to and then log on to the Online Activities module, or OAM. Once you have done this, there will be other documentation to explain the various reports. The first thing to do is to go to the NARF homepage at www.narfe.org. It is a good idea to bookmark this page. Because the different browsers bookmark pages differently, we will not explain how to do this. The home page of NARF is constantly being updated, so if it looks a little different, don't be surprised. Once on the NARF home page, you must log in as a member. Click on the icon shown on the screen. If you have never logged on to the NARF website, you will need to do so now. There are two options: a secure logon using an email address and password, or the older standard login using member name and member ID. You should use the secure login to get to the OAM. If you have logged in before, please enter your email address and password. If you do not, you will need to create an account. The next slide shows the page to establish an account. Please note the requirements for a password have changed. If you used an email and password before, there is a chance that you will need a stronger password. See the next slide for details on the password. The email address is the email address that is on your NARF membership account. Please take note of the password requirements. They are pretty standard, but you will need to follow them. You get to select the security question from a list. You may need to write this down for future reference. If you log on to NARF from a different computer, you may be asked a security question. Please note that after you establish an account, NARF will send you an email to your email address to confirm you did this. You should be ready to reply to the email after setting up your account. Now you have logged in and are on the main page for members. Click on the Officer Resources icon. Click on the Enter icon under the Online Activities module. The Online Reports module is for older style reports. Unless you are an officer for both your federation and chapter, you will only see one option at this time. You are now at the main menu for the OAM chapter reports. Note that in addition to the OAM, there are options for the NARF email system and web hosting. The various features of the OAM will be covered in separate presentations. Please remember, the reports change all of the time. If you see an error or an out-of-date information in this presentation, please use the NARF website to contact your CAB representative.